Hello students, today's our topic is study of solar dryer. Drying means removal of moisture content from the food or the grain product. Okay, here for drying, we are utilizing the solar energy. Solar energy is used to remove the moisture content from the food. Drying is a method for preserving the food and helps in the storage and easy transportation because the food becomes lighter due to the moisture removal. Dried product not only increases the shelf life but also reduces the cost of transportation and storage. Traditionally, food products are dried by spreading in open sun in a thin layer called as natural or open sun drying. It is economical and simple method of drying, but there is a loss of nutritive value of the food products due to direct exposure to the sun. That's why for giving indirect heat from the sun, it is called as a solar energy, and dry the food product, it is called as a indirect convection. However, it is the following disadvantages of the direct heating. There is no control on the rate of drying. Product may be over dried or under dried during open sun drying. There is no uniform drying. It results poor quality of product. There are chances of deterioration of food in both slow and fast drying. There is no protection of product against rain and dust storm. There may be considerable damage due to bird, rodent, insect, pest in open sun drying. There may be chances of loss of germination power or nutritive value of the seeds and food. म्हणजे सन ड्राईंग डायरेक्ट एक्सपोजर जर केलं तर न्यूट्रिशनल लॉस होतोच आहे. परत बर्ड्स आणि रोडंटमुळे काय होतं, लॉस होतं आहे. परत डस्ट वगैरे त्या फूड प्रॉडक्टवर बसून थोडंसं डिटोरिएशन होऊ शकतं. मग हे जर आपल्याला अवॉइड करायचं असेल तर आपल्याला इनडायरेक्ट सन ड्राईंग करायला हवं. Therefore, in order to have product quality wise and quantity wise and to prolong storage capabilities and improve transportability, control mechanism of solar drying is required. Solar drying is one of the direct use of solar heat which involves removal of moisture from the substance through the application of solar energy. The removal of moisture requires only low temperature heating which can made easily by absorbing solar energy by the surface. This increases the temperature of air inside the dryer. The moisture produced from the drying product is carried out along with the exhaust air. The characteristics of solar energy is good for drying and at low temperature. The intermittent nature of solar radiation cannot affect the drying performance at low temperature. Solar energy is available at the site of use and saves transportation cost. Means this food product, for example, there is a food product, and for the drying of this food product we are using solar radiations. We are using black surface to absorb solar radiations. Whatever the air passes through that food products, it becomes hot due to sun radiations, and that black absorbing surface and that solar heated air remove the moisture content from the grain, and that moisture content gets evaporated. Okay, and there is a drying of the product. Natural convection type solar dryer essentially consists of an enclosure for keeping the product to be dry with a transparent cover placed over the enclosure. The internal surface of the enclosure are painted black. The evaporation of moisture from the product takes place due to direct absorption of solar radiation by the product as well as transfer of heat by the internal surface. Removal of moisture takes place through naturally created draft. म्हणजे नॅचरल जी एअर आहे ती नॅचरल एअर ह्या पूर्णपणे ब्लॅक पेंट केलेल्या सरफेसमधून इथं आपण होल ठेवणार आहोत. सन रॅडिएशन इथं आल्यावर काय होईल, whatever the natural air, it becomes hot due to solar radiation, and that hot air, it is used to reduce the moisture content of the grain or food product in forced circulation. आता नॅचरली जर एअर पास होत असेल तर ड्राईंग हळूहळू होणार, स्लोली होणार. पण जर आपण फोर्स सर्क्युलेशन वापरलं, म्हणजे फोर्सफुली जर आपण हिटेड एअर पास केली, आणि त्या एअरचं हिटिंग सोलार एनर्जीनेच होणार आहे, पण एअर आपल्याला फोर्सफुली पास करण्यासाठी आपण तिथं काहीतरी ब्लोअर किंवा एखादी मोटर, इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर, फॅन बसवून ती हिटेड एअर फोर्सफुली पास करणार आहोत, जेणेकरून ड्राईंग हे फास्ट होईल, रॅपिड ड्राईंग होईल. In forced circulation type of solar dryer, air is heated through collectors and is forced onto the drying material. Such dryers are comparatively efficient, faster, and can be used for drying of large agricultural product. Commercial level ला आपल्याला कुठला ड्रायर वापरायला लागेल, कमर्शियल भरपूर प्रमाणामध्ये आपल्याला ड्राईंग करायचं असेल तेव्हा आपण फोर्स्ड सर्क्युलेशन मेथड वापरणार आहोत, आणि थोड्या प्रमाणावर असेल तर मग नॅचरल कन्व्हेक्शन मेथड वापरली जाईल. नाउ ड्रायर्स आर ऑल्सो क्लासिफाईड ॲज डायरेक्ट ॲज वेल ॲज इनडायरेक्ट टाईप ऑफ सोलार ड्रायर. आता डायरेक्ट म्हणजे काय, डायरेक्ट एक्सपोजर, सन रॅडिएशन्स आर डायरेक्टली एक्सपोज्ड देअर to the food products, then it is called as a direct solar dryer. आता indirect म्हणजे काय, indirect means there may be, these are the solar panels. आपण बघितले फोटोव्होल्टाईक सेल, तर फोटोव्होल्टाईक सेल काय करतात, they will convert when solar radiations attack over that photovoltaic cell, it will convert solar energy into thermal energy and the thermal energy into electrical energy. ओके, मग ते इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जीमध्ये हे सोलार रॅडिएशन कन्व्हर्ट होणार, ही बॅटरी चार्ज होणार, आणि मग ही हिटेड एअर ड्राईंगसाठी आपण पाठवणार. इथं काय करणार आपण, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, हिटेड एअर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट करून पाठवणार. मग हे काय झालं, इनडायरेक्ट. हे डायरेक्ट नाही आहे, इथं सोलार पॅनल्स वापरले. सोलार पॅनल काय करणार, सोलार रॅडिएशनचं कन्व्हर्जन थर्मल एनर्जीमध्ये, नंतर इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जीमध्ये, म्हणजे सोलार रेडिएशनचं कन्व्हर्जन इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जीमध्ये करून ही इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वापरली जाईल. त्याला म्हणायचं इनडायरेक्ट. किंवा हायब्रिड सिस्टीम असते. हायब्रिड म्हणजे जेव्हा नॅचरली समर सीझनमध्ये, ॲक्च्युली काय असतं, समर सीझनमध्ये खूप हॉट असतं बाहेर, मग ते हीट एनर्जी जर सफिशियंट असेल ड्राईंगसाठी तर नॅचरल सिस्टीम वापरायची, नसेल सिस्टीम परफेक्टली यूजफुल करण्यासारखी नसेल, रेनी सीझन आहे, सनशाईन अवर अवेलेबल नाही आहे, अशा वेळेस काय करायचं, सोलार पॅनल्स वापरायची, किंवा इलेक्ट्रिसिटीसुद्धा वापरता आली पाहिजे. म्हणजे कुठलीही सिस्टीम जी अवेलेबल असेल ती वापरता येत असेल तर अशा सिस्टीमला आपण हायब्रिड ड्रायर असं म्हणतो. ओके, नाउ ड्रायर्स आर ऑल्सो क्लासिफाईड ॲज डायरेक्ट ॲज वेल ॲज इनडायरेक्ट ऑफ सोलार ड्रायर. In the direct type of solar dryer, the material is to be dry, is put on the tray in the dryer, and direct entry of sun radiations through a suitable transparent cover is made, and finally moisture after getting evaporated goes out. Whereas in indirect solar dryer, air heater are used through which air gets heated and passes over to drying material. Similarly, direct cum indirect type of solar dryer, directly sun radiations are allowed inside the tray, and also heated air from the outside air collector is used for boosting output of the dryer. म्हणजे there is a two types. There is a direct heating as well as indirect heating. Okay, we are using both method there for direct heating as well as indirect heating. Direct type of solar dryer, natural convection and forced. Naturally heated air जर पास होत असेल तर त्याला नॅचरल कन्व्हेक्शन म्हणायचं. फोर्स सर्क्युलेशन म्हणजे आपण फॅन वापरला, हिटेड एअर पास करायला, तर त्याला काय म्हणायचं, फोर्स सर्क्युलेशन. नाउ इन एक्झामिनेशन देर इज अ क्वेश्चन, एनलिस्ट different types of dryers. Solar dryer, different types of solar dryers. Then solar dryers are classified into natural convection type. In natural convection type, direct solar dryer, indirect solar dryer, direct cum indirect type solar dryer. Then direct solar dryer, it is classified into rack type. If the arrangement it is having the rack system, then it is called as rack type solar dryer. Solar cabinet. Cabinet means combine. What do you mean by cabinet? Combine. If the solar dryer means actual drying chamber, this one is the actual drying chamber, and solar collector, it is combined, then it is called as a cabinet dryer. Greenhouse type solar dryer, then indirect solar dryers, chimney type solar dryer, fruit and vegetable dryer, wing ventilated type solar dryer. Now direct cum indirect dryer, chimney type having both provision, forced circulation type dryer, bean type dryer, tunnel dryer, सोलार असिस्टेड और हायब्रिड. मी मग सांगितलं हायब्रिड म्हणजे आपल्याला इलेक्ट्रिकसिटीवर सुद्धा हा ड्रायर चालवता आला पाहिजे, सोलार एनर्जी वापरून, सोलार पॅनल्स वापरून तसासुद्धा चालवता आला पाहिजे. आणि सोलार रॅडिएशन अनअवेलेबल असतील तर आपलं काम थांबायला नको, आपण इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वापरूनसुद्धा आपलं ड्राईंग करू शकलो पाहिजे. अशा दोन्ही सिस्टीम असेल तर त्याला सोलार असिस्टेड और हायब्रिड टाईप म्हणतात. सोलार टिम्बर ड्रायर और सोलार क्ले. Direct and indirect solar dryers. Direct solar dryer, in this type of dryer, food or clothing is exposed to the sunlight directly. The sunlight removes the moisture from the substance. Now indirect solar dryer, in this type of dryer, black surface is exposed to the sunlight. The black surface heats the incoming air and the heated air further dries the substance. Indirect solar dryer is shown in figure now. These all are the indirect dryer. Here there is a black surface, it is exposed to the sun radiation, there is drying, there is heating of that black surface, it is painted black in color, and due to the solar heating of the air and that heated air remove the moisture content from the grain. Okay, there is all diagrams it will shows that. Now maybe they are using here, the collector is different, solar collector, this one is a collector and this one is a drying chamber, the both are different. Okay, therefore it is called as a different solar collector and different drying chamber. This one is a cabinet type. Cabinet means here, no, this one is indirect solar heating. Indirect solar heating means here the solar panels are there, that solar panels, it will convert the sun radiations into electric energy, thermal energy is converted into electric energy, and that electric energy is utilized for drying the substance in this box, and it is called as indirect heating. Likewise, now bean type grain dryer, reticulating type bean dryer, non-reticulating type bean dryer, continuous cross flow dryer, continuous parallel flow bean dryer. तुम्हाला प्रश्न विचारला जाईल, enlist different types of dryer, then enlist all that. Now for assignment, prepare the short note on that and enlist the different types of dryer. Okay, thank you.